good news. We are continuing our G position progress, and we're starting off with the left hand and it goes to the right, and then we have some awesome chords in here. So we're going to do one hand at a time. We are in 3/4. And our roadmap, we go to the third line, we go back to the beginning, and do that repeat, and then we end with this slower. We're going to slow it down and diminuendo to the very end. So with our 3/4, we're starting off all of our melodies and theme with the third beat. 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, with that awesome pickup. So let's investigate our left hand first, because we're starting off with that. In our G position, all the way down here is our G, and we're jumping up that fifth. G, D, 3, 1, 2, 3. We have our fourth here, A and D. Then our third, B and D. G, D, 3, 1, 2, 3, fourth, third, our A and D, and our B and D. Second, third, fourth, fifth, G, D, 3, 1, 2, 3, fourth, third, bottom, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We have that tie, 3 plus 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, dum, dum, bum, bum. So let's play it from here. Left hand, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, bum, 1, 2, 3, fourth, bottom, third, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, second, 2, 3, third, 2, 3, fourth, fifth, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, fourth, third. And then that's where you'd start that third beat. 1, 2, 3, 1. That's that repeat. At the end, we have a G, D, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then we just let it float off. So then with our right hand, we're starting G, D, and then we're going to walk down. So G, D, D, C, B, A, G, 3, 1, 2. G, D, D, C, B, A, G, B, A, G, D, C, 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 B, 3, 1, 2. G, D, D, C, B, A, G. You repeat, and then you go to the end. G, D, 2, 3, 1, 2. G, D, and float off. All right, left hand or right hand. 3, 1, 2. G, D, D, C, B, A, G. 3, 1, 2. 1, 2. A. Here's our fifth. Walk down. 3, 1, 2. 1, 2. Continue on. 3, 1, 2. Good news. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, off. All right, now both hands. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 2. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Mezzo forte.